Let's take a look at graphic organizers or thinking tools, whatever you know them by. If you look at our learning wall, which remember you can find on Frog by clicking on Learning Toolkits, then at the side here, there are a whole host of thinking tools that can help you to do your work. So for example, you can use the funnel here to come up with lots of different ideas, and you then filter them down to the best ideas. You use things like Venn diagrams to consider similarities between things. You can also use Comparison Alley for a similar type of thing. So there's lots of different graphic organizers. Now you can actually find out about them on the learning wall, like I say, and your teachers might introduce you to some as well. The problem with the ones on the learning wall is you can't actually edit them or do anything with them. So if you wanted to recreate these so that you could actually type on them, what you can do is get yourself into Google Drive, and you can use a tool called Google Draw. So if you go to More, Google Drawings here, and then in Google Drawings, you've got a canvas. You can make that whatever size you want to make it. And then you've got various tools you can use. So if I was doing a Venn diagram, I might choose a circle, have a circle here. I'll actually make it more of an oval, which might make it a bit easier. You can change the background color and things like that. I'm going to make another one here, put that across. I'll make that one transparent, and I'll just change the background color of the page here to be white. Okay, so I've got the Venn diagram there. Obviously you can edit it to get it to be a better size or whatever. You could make Comparison Alley that I showed you. You could make a filter, and then once you've got it, you can use your text tool here to start typing your whatever it is that you want to write about. For one, you can write things that are similar in the middle, things about something different over here, and so on. Okay, if you wanted to insert a picture, you can by all means click on Image. You get the chance to upload a picture if you've got one, or you can actually do a search from in here. So if I wanted to do funnel and search for a funnel, and I could maybe use something like this to represent the filter tool that was one of the graphic organizers, and then I can add text to it. So really, really simple way of doing this. I realize that you can do similar things just using a Google slide, but Drawn's probably better for it because you're getting a single page and you can resize it, and you've got a little bit more variety in terms of the shapes that you can use as well. This can be shared just like any tool. So if you're working on it with somebody else, click the share button. It's got to be saved first, and then you can share it with people who you're working with in a group so that they can edit it, or you could share it with a teacher so that they can check the work that you've done.